pretty.
Yeah, I took a lot of them.
Ooh, I'm scared. Don't slam the, wait. Girl, you're living life on the edge. I'm so tired. It is 6:38 a.m. and yeah, it's January 15th. Happy MLK Day. Happy Founders Day to all the girls. And I have a photo shoot today at 11 o'clock. And I haven't done my hair. My makeup appointment is at 8:45. And yeah, I'm so excited. This is my 31st birthday photo shoot vlog. Sorry if that started off a little slow, guys. Honestly, I'm tired. I went to sleep very late last night. Just trying to like make sure everything's together for today because I didn't want to rush this morning, but here I am rushing anyway. So I just got the shower. I'm just having my coffee. So let's just go through details right quick. So this is my wig. This is a 22-inch 613 HD frontal body wave wig. Sheesh. And I'm gonna do it in like an updo. We got these beautiful roses that I got from, where I get these from? Publix. This is about 3.5 dozen of roses. So I had to trim them last night, get like all the excess like leaves off just so, you know, we can bunch this together. Let me show y'all my dress. Let me show y'all my dress. Let me show y'all my dress. This is the dress, honey. Do you see that? Oh yeah, it's a look. I will also be having my lovely dog in this photo shoot. This is my daughter. This is my child, my baby girl, Lundy. So Lundy got her hair cut yesterday. And yeah, we are getting photo shoot ready. So just come on this vlog with me today. I don't really vlog like that, but y'all said in the poll that y'all wanted me to start doing more vlogs about my life, so here we go. Today is January 15th, 2024, and we are getting ready to do a 31st birthday shoot. All right, come on. We got stuff to do. We gotta go now. Okay, at this point, my hair is done. I need to get out this house. It's 8:23 and my makeup appointment is at 9, but it's really at 8:45. But I just wanted to show y'all, look at this necklace from Shein, honey. Look at this. It's giving expensive. It's giving expensive. Okay, I gotta go. Finally made it in the car. I got my dog. I got my roses. I got my dress back there, and I'm trying to go get my makeup done. Not trying to, I'm on my way and I'm running late, and I know my sister gonna be mad because my sister is my makeup artist, so. But my hair is laid, honey. I'm so excited for this photo shoot. I'm so excited. So the photographer that I'm going to, his name is Gilded Images on Instagram. I believe his name is Roberto, and he has done a lot of shoots for my sister. Like her maternity shoot. I think he did her engagement photos. So I am going to him to have this photo shoot done, and I'm super excited. So yeah, I'll be sure to put his information below so that way, you know, but just stay tuned because I'm so excited for this concept. I'm so excited. Can you put the camera? He pushed me out the way. Hey, Bryce. Can you say hey? Hey. No. There we go. You're so pretty. Okay, so at this point we are on the way to the photo shoot, and I'm gonna be honest with you, like normally I wouldn't eat heavy before a photo shoot. I wouldn't eat it all, but your girl was hungry. We had to stop at Chick-fil-A. I didn't get that on camera because, honey, I was busting down. Okay, we had a good little drive, but you know, we got London in the back seat. It's time to go. We got my sister, and yeah, we had us a good time on the drive to go see Roberto. And honestly, y'all, super excited. Like the drive was worth it. It wasn't that far, but it was worth driving over there. Okay, excited.
What side you going?
Oh, I'm coming back.
This one.
Hold on, I probably should tell him that we're here.
Yeah, so he can open the door.
Need this green bag. I should have gave you the dove that's in my purse. I don't know why.
You wanted me to smell like eucalyptus. All that ass in those jeans.
You don't think I need a flat iron, right?
For what? It's giving. Oh, you look so beautiful.
It's giving. I got a lot going on.
Yeah. Ooh, so pretty. Yeah, I took a lot of it. Ooh, I'm scared. Don't slam. Wait. Girl, you're living life on the edge. Okay, Lundy.
Oh shoot, we've got Lundy, we've got myself, and we got my sister. Turn the camera to yourself.
Hold on.
Okay, great.
London, slow down.
Okay, so we finally made it to the studio, and it was time for me to change. He did have like a small changing room in there, which I thought was perfect. That way you just put on your clothes right quick and, you know, do whatever. And I know you can see the back of my hair. I don't really care, like, for the look. Like, I needed my hair to be up. But when you look at the pictures, you can't even tell. And when I tell you these pictures is fire, like, these pictures is fire. Look at me. Okay, he in there playing with the lighting, and yeah, that hair set everything on fire. So we got London with her bow on. My sister helped me with that. I got this dress from Fashion Nova. Like I said, I got the roses from Publix. And yeah, honey, we started off on a white background, but I was like, I really want a black background up against this black dress with this blonde hair. You know, me and London blonde. And it's like, we need to be on this black background. It's going to really give what it needs to give. You know what I'm saying? I put this whole little look together. I really like pieced everything together over like a 2 to 3 week time span, but the jewelry cheap, Shein, okay? Make sure you get a red lip, a little blonde wig, and a fitting black dress. I love the bottom of it. I'm such a mermaid girl. I love a mermaid dress, slim fit with a poofy bottom. But yeah, this photo shoot was great. As you can see, he was really good with his lighting. He made sure to, you know, put the light where it needed to be. And my sister on that makeup, honey. Okay, go follow at Lonnie on the Beat on Instagram. When I tell you my girl beat me down, she beat me down, okay, for this photo shoot. Super excited. He actually threw in a couple of other looks that I wasn't even asking for, and you'll see that here in just a second, but he really set the mood for this photo shoot, and I really feel like we vibed real off each other, and I really plan to use him again because he did his thing. These final photos is fire. Look at this screen he has in there where you can see the photos come in like right off the bat. Like, love it. Loved everything about the shoot. It was quick, it was affordable, and it literally achieved what I was looking to achieve. And yeah, that's a vibe.
And then the roses were nice on the side like that.
Yeah.
And then
I had to cut out most of the sound because y'all know we cannot use these people music on these videos. Oh, this is just great.
Add this on the other side.
But that whole red setup, this sitting at the mirror, that whole backdrop, he came up with that. And I'm gonna tell y'all, it was fire. Fire. Makeup was fire, photo shoot was fire. Like, as long as you can get you a good hairstylist and a nice dress, baby, you can do it up for your birthday. Okay, cater to yourself. Get yourself a photo shoot for your birthday. And plan it, look good, okay? Yeah. Okay, y'all, that is a wrap for the photo shoot. I am back home and I wanted to end up this video. So if you are interested in doing a photo shoot with the photographer that I use, his name is Gilded Images on Instagram. He was perfect. This is my first photo shoot for him, and I'm gonna tell y'all he did what needed to be done, okay? He had me up there looking real good. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, put them down in the comment box and I'll be sure to get back to you. And as usual, I love you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning into the Pretty Lounge channel. This was more of a personal vlog. I don't normally do this, but I plan on doing this a lot more often because this is what y'all told me y'all wanted to see. Y'all wanted to see, you know, me. So I'm gonna show y'all me. If y'all want to see the final pictures, make sure to follow my personal Instagram. It is @_IamJasmineK. So you can see those final pictures. And I'm going to tell you right now, they is fire. So head over to my Instagram right now so you can see these pictures. All right, y'all. It was so much fun. I'm glad I could bring you all along with me for the day. I'll see y'all next time.